Hey, this is Matt. Welcome back to AVC. This is going to be a product overview for our Ford Transit roof rack series. When we designed these roof racks, we wanted something that was fit to the vehicle. We didn't want a one-size-fits-all, something that didn't look great. When we're going to design something, we want it to be, just the way we would want it on our own vehicles. And that's because we run them on our vehicles. This is Spencer's vehicle right here. So, when we designed it, we wanted it to be low profile. We wanted to ship small so that it was cheap and easy for you to get to yourself. We wanted to assemble simple. And we wanted to have, solid materials. So our towers are steel construction so that they're not going to fatigue over time because we like gravel roads just as much as you do. But the blades and the crossbars are aluminum for weather resistance, and those are the points where you're going to be drilling and mounting things yourself. So that way we're not going to worry about corrosion. If you don't do that great of a job sealing them back up, it's not really going to be that big of an issue. We use an 80-20 crossbar because 80-20 is an industry standard. It's very versatile. We can attach all sorts of fun stuff to them. We also designed them to mount flat and flush with the top of the roof rack. So that 80-20 crossbar is nice and flat. It makes a perfect flat platform. So if you want to put a deck up there, a cargo box, solar panels, you can mount pretty much anything you can dream of on top of this roof rack. It does happen to fit a 60-inch rooftop tent just perfect. So I have one on my vehicle. It's mounted exactly in those blades, no crossbars required, and it fits ultra low profile to the roof. We have multiple slots along the blades of the roof rack, so that no matter where you want to mount those crossbars, you can find a solution that fits to your vehicle and whatever accessories you happen to mount with it. So if you have a rooftop fan, an AC unit, or both, maybe two fans, you're going to be able to move those bars around to fit just exactly what you need. We designed the roof rack to be ultra low clearance, so there's not a whole lot of room between the top of that 80-20 and the top of your van. There's going to be a little bit more room out at the edge of the van than there is in the middle. And we designed that based on the deflection of that 80-20 crossbar. So for the standard weight of a person like myself, I can stand in the middle of that crossbar and it's not going to deflect and touch the top of the van. And that was our definition for a successful roof rack design. The crossbar has 4 inches on the sides and 1.5 inches at center, in case you're curious about how much room you have for clearance below the roof rack. The medium roof and the high roof rack both include 5 crossbars, counting 1 of those for the fairing up front. The extended roof rack, because it has 3 blades, includes 10 in the kit. It does cost a little bit more. We do have extra additional crossbars that will be available soon on the website. We do get a lot of questions about what ladder we can mount with this roof rack. Our preferred ladder is the Aluminess side ladder, and it bolts up exactly with the top rail. You will have to drill 2 holes on the bottom, so we'd match drill those holes, and then you can just mount it right up. All the other pieces and parts of the Aluminess ladder mount exactly as their instructions include. If you're curious about mounting an awning, we tend to mount the Fiamma F45S. The wall mount awning can be match drilled and installed directly to your blade, and then has the appropriate clearances for a perfect install on your vehicle. We like the 3 meter, but you can decide what length is right for you. So for our high and medium roof vans, the kit includes 4 blade sections, 2 fronts and 2 rears. It's going to include 6 single towers. It's going to include 2 double towers and 2 compression feet. It also includes 5 80-20 crossbars. For the extended rack, because it's an extra long vehicle and we're keeping in mind we want to ship this undersized, we have 3 blades per side, so it's a total of 6 blades. So 2 fronts, 2 middles, and 2 rears. We have 6 single towers. We have 4 double towers, and we have 4 compression feet. The fairing, of course, is always included with an AVC roof rack. The extended rack also includes 10 crossbars to add extra rigidity and store all your fun toys.